Okay, guys, we are back at it with these stocks making these new 52-week lows. As you know, the markets just got wrecked. They got wrecked by the deep seek, big power shift in the world, China taking all the power and all that stuff like that. Well, we got a lot of stocks going down to a discount. There are like 40 on this list, and this is my last video of the day. So, I'll go ahead and we're just gonna get through this real quick, okay? So GMHGODN just did a ticker change to GMHS. They went down to a big discount. You can see down on this big discount, they are looking to come in for the next round of bullish divergence. I'll take my time and talk about some technicals along with some fundamentals for those of you who are new. And I usually would just go off and just make the straight 52-week low video for the best ones I picked. But I know like seeing this and seeing how I picked them and being able to analyze all the different industries on different stocks at different prices together is very informational and educational for you guys. So here we go. We got an average volume on this one, average volume of 31,000 and a current volume of 1.26 million. A decent free float of 2.50 million on GMH. I do have my Moomoo investing platform open so we can see their analysis order flow on Moomoo. Notice I am using, this is the same Moomoo investing platform. It looks a little bit different, just on a different device. I actually like the way it looks better on this platform. You still got your order flow with extra larges coming in ever so slightly, just a little bit more than the extra larges going. I like the way the other order flow over there look for sure. The other order flow is way better, but okay, we got what we got. Keep on your analyses. Sure. Oh well, this stock just came out, so of course you don't got too much information on this stock. Look, it just came out. Since this stock just came out, it's gonna be a little bit more dangerous too. You can check out your briefing and see that this is a blank check company. We'll have to do a deeper analysis on this. They short interest, decent and short interest, yeah, it's starting to climb up. No, decent balance sheet. Your balance sheet will tell you got total assets outdoing liabilities. And before we continue on to the rest of the stocks, and I start speeding through this, just know for you new guys who are new, I use a RSI and a MACD indicator. It tells you when a stock is overbought and dangerous or oversold and safe. Overbought and dangerous or oversold and safe. Okay. Next, you got HEPA. He was down to a quick sell off. And that beeping you hear is all my alerts that go off from Moomoo. On my old device, my last device is live streaming on all the channels. It used to pop up with the alerts all popping up here. I don't know how to turn those notifications off just yet, so we just going to hear it beep because I know a lot of stocks going to be going off right now while the market's getting ready to close. And you got HEPA, a big discount on HEPA down to 16 cents. Okay, they'll be getting ready for another hot reversal back up on HEPA, going back into the highs of about 20 cents on HEPA. Now, a good, decent one here since they've already been coming in for that bull run. We know that since they're consolidating, they're going to get ready to do it again. But it's going to take a bullish day for HEPA to do it. Know that this is a therapeutic stock, so they're going to need a little bit more pressure to they're going to need an FDA catalyst or something like that to really get them going. Not really that big in a short interest. And if you look at your order flow on HGPA, okay, so a little bit more X large coming in, slightly a little bit more X large coming in, but it's really being fueled by smalls coming in on HEPA right now. And make sure you can check out their news as well. No new news on HEPA. And if you check out any of my recent videos, you know that the markets did just crash off of the deep seek coming out and taking over the whole world real quick. But you got the financial balance sheet on HEPA being pretty wrecked right now with a debt to asset ratio starting to climb up. You can get another round at HEPA. And again, remember that we want to see these things on our 4-hour trading chart for some clear bullish divergence, and you go ahead and check your overall daily chart for people who might like it on the fundamentals for a longer term time frame and get a better general understanding that the thing is not in a formation for a big bullish reversal just yet. You can go ahead and compare that on your mobile investing platform chart as well, going from your 4-hour up to your daily chart. And on your daily chart on your mobile investing platform, then notice this, the gap the gap. Notice how they climbed up and they hit that gap already. They're gonna get back up and retest that gap again. So say you get a bull run to HEPA, like pretty easy actually. But next you got good GOEV. I'm not gonna add HEPA to the list. Yes, I am. Yeah, I am. HEPA 20 cents or lower. Okay, so this would be a good example for those of you who are seeing how I go for stocks and all that good stuff like that. Um, I'm finna put out the next list of upcoming swings. I do keep these frequently updated for the members in the Discord. Remember, upcoming swings. HEPA 20 or lower. Swing trade. Goev. Goev definitely gonna get ready to come in for another move for sure, for sure. Um, Look at GoF getting choppy down there. Another record, not to say it's a good stock or the best of stocks or anything, but they already been coming for moving a lot of volatility in the last couple of days. A popular stock as well. Order flow is kind of choppy here on GOEV right now. You know, it could be looking a little bit better. We'll probably pass on that one right now. You can check out your balance sheets on GoF. Looking decent in there on the balance sheet, and of course your short interest not that big on GOEV. No new news, not of right now. Goev anticipates trading on Nasdaq to be suspended. That's crazy. The SLXN. SLXN goes down to a big discount. You know, a discount like that would probably just have to skip on. Not to say they're not going to ready to come in for the move, but you know, it's definitely some more safer stocks, some more uncertain stocks, and the more uncertainties you can take away, the more certain you can be. And when we can be more certain, and we can definitely be certain that there's some more stocks that aren't looking this uncertain. STBX, another one we're familiar with from our last update video, getting ready to make another move from this 47 cents. If you want to be catching a bit of a riskier play, like when they come in, they're gonna come in for that spike, and they might not really hold up on STBX. Big and short interest. Check your briefing. What is this stock anyways? Building a cash and a rebate advertising. STBX. You already know we really just looking to see if we got the extra large coming in. A lot more bearish pressure coming in across the board on STBX. Right now we have to pass up on that one. YYAI. They do come in for the move right about now. I'm getting ready to retest that dollar with some solid volume starting to come in on this trading day. You go see if they got any news. With no news coming out, and check your balance sheet. A rect one on your short interest that is small in there in your order flow to keep up to date with everything that is going on the YYAI stock. On your order flow, starting to get a little bit more bullish on your order flow right now. They're pretty decent. I can't even see the other side. Like I'm not really. Oh, yeah, I'm trying to see that net outflow over there. It's not showing me the net outflow, but no, I guess I can see it here, right here. So yeah, you got more inflow coming in. I was looking at the net flow up there. Yeah, you got the inflow coming in. A lot of that's decent because look at this big sell off this thing I came in for. Hey, I don't like how it's on the last night. I was able to like hold it and highlight and see how many percentage gains it was and stuff like that throughout the whole thing. But that's another thing, I guess. But YYA. Let's go see if there's been any updates on YYAI stock along in the Discord. Members have been in here catching the YYAI stock already. Like I said, make sure that you're in there seeing them when they put the alerts out, even if it's in the Spanish section. You'll be able to catch that thing in time. Make sure that you in there, you know, seeing it on time. You're not gonna be able to catch them all on time, but if you do, then you'll be able to see when Coach Manson throwing his things out. Whether it's at 6 a.m. or 2 p.m., the coaches are already ready to catch the bull run on the next stock. Getting ready to make that next big explosion. Very good job. Very good alerts out there, coaches. Very impressive. I love to see the organization. It definitely helps keep the videos organized and easier to find your alerts. Keep them in your sections and keep them organized, please. Next, you got ALLK. Going back down to a big discount, a discount that we lucky they make it for another bounce up in there. Alco shares plummet to all-time lows after lead candidate failure. Very bad news on the pharmaceutical stock. But I mean, is that anything new? Check it out. I mean, like, well, what else new? Big bad. They've been had bad news coming across the board, you know. But I mean, like, don't let that really deter you for real, for real. 'Cause they're gonna get ready to come up for the spike and fill that gap back up towards that dollar. Now it could be a shaky one for a while. You really want to. It would be easier to have big short interest because then shorts get ready to squeeze at just about any time, you know. But ALK not really finna. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, you never know. We type this in, and this thing have all the big wells mining in there right now, for real. Let me see. Don't even give me no information. Okay. ALLK. Guess we just gonna continue on from that. SD SDST. They starting to get bullish. That's decent right there because they getting ready. If they break past this that they are right now, you can see that they can be ready to come in for a spike. That spike could be up to like $2 real fast. You know they probably won't hold up there, but if they can, and notice why they sell off from there. That's where they got big resistance at before. Very low volume back there. They do got an average volume of 192,000 on SDST. SDST. I gotta figure out how to turn these alerts off. Let me see. There's a button right there. SDST. Look at all this bullishness coming in. Oh, that's a powerful inflow. It's probably ready to make the move tomorrow. Let me see how I turn these alerts off. That beeping is going crazy. Let me see. Manage alerts, new alert, filter, silence. You know, silence button. Select all, delete. Yes. Okay. Alright. SDST. What was I saying? This one got to go on the list. 140 or lower. SDST. It's probably not too late for this one. BACK. I mean, super low value. They got an average volume of 63,000. I don't really like that. I forgot to tell you the industry. This one doesn't help. Oh yeah, yeah. I've been telling you all the industry. Yeah, health stocks and whatnot. Health stocks and whatnot. Stuff for that's do. Look, man, Golden Star. I'll tell you all the industry. I think we've seen this in a blank check. This is a pharmaceutical. Goev EV. SL Lexan is a pharmaceutical. STBX is an industrial focused on cash rebates and advertising. YYAI is an IT and tech stock. ALLK is another biotech stock. They all wrecked. You know, they don't even matter industry because they all wrecked anyways. SDTST is another manufacturer of battery grade lithium. Okay, this is probably the best one. Lithium batteries, probably SDST, probably the best one. BACK, clinical research. Like I don't really like to mess around with the health styles like that, and then especially like looking at this one, like watch this on your quarterly. I mean, they all wrecked. We already know, of course. And I mean, like no need for me to show you that they all wrecked, but like I want to be showing. Why the reason why I go back and show you the span so you can see how far they've come, and so you can see what the span look like on a monthly chart and stuff like that. So you can see if they come in for bullish divergence, and then you can get a general idea of remember that these stocks, when they come out as IPOs and they go down to the 52-week lows. That's why I consistently make videos on the 52-week lows, keeping you guys updated on stuff, you know, so so you can be in a proper cycle. But BNGO, a big discount on BNGO, you know, we probably just skipped this one. Oh, they just did a split. Well, yeah, we definitely just skipped this one. GIT, they coming for a spike. You know, it's too late for that, man. I wouldn't. Yeah, they did a split too. Just skip that one. It's too late for that one. RFAC. I remember talking about this one last week on RFAC. A big discount. Like they need some more time to settle down. There's no bullish sign in a MACD at all. Super low volume, so it's gonna take forever. CHSN. This one get ready to come in for a move. This one probably coming for a move almost tomorrow. You know, like probably one of those pre-market moves. And when they do it, they going back to like $6. It's gonna be crazy on this one. They a health stock, I bet. Uh, Holding company engaged in manufacturing and sales of wide selection of bakery products. Yeah, just saying. And they got the extra large still and stuff going out of there still right now. But that's hot. But that's a hot one though. It's a hot one. We're gonna see back on the 15-minute chart. Yeah, that's a hot one. Man, you know what? CHSN 70 cents or 70 cents or. 70 cents or lower. 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 70 cents It's a hot one. You know what I mean? Somebody gonna like it. BZAI. Let's see. Let's see. BZAI. Yeah. RTC. Bayajun, the Bayajun group. Look at that. They did. They just all see you see them all choppy and messed up like that. They have no sign or sight of a history of just doing any good. You can probably just pass on it. Because again, the more uncertainty you can take away, the more certain you can be. For sure, for sure. Like it's easier to feel when uncertainty. Look at this. You telling me that you telling me you look at this, you certain. They just had a split. How you gonna just say yeah and they over there having a split already, bro? No, bro, you're not certain. That's why we took our time to look at all of these, so we can get a full comparison of them also like that. Because when some of them, and like I know the history on a lot of these because I'm I've been in the market for so long. You do too. Like, you do too. You do recognize some of these stocks. You've been watching the videos like that for so long. You recognize some of these stocks and if they move. I don't really like them. These I'm really seeing. Bro. I mean, the market's just got some of these could, of course, be looking a whole lot better. Like, look at their volume, super low. BTOG. I think BTOG will get ready to come for. What's a crypto related stock? Oh yeah, crypto just got wrecked. Oh my god, crypto just got wrecked. What's BTC at? I gotta see. 100,000 forever. 100,000 forever. Yup. What did it do? Look at that. It's like when it sold off this morning, we caught that dip down there. And look down, we exploded. We were up super. I was up like 500%, and then it pulled back. That's good to see it going back up right now. Exactly back up. That's cool. I'll finish this video so I can get back to looking at it. And be like, I'm sitting good, bro. Like we be in a Discord sitting good. Look at this. We wake up just this morning. This is just this morning, getting up, waking up to about a good 700%. Not to mention the rest of the stocks and whatnot. We just catching in between. Like we be having 1,000% days now. It's crazy, bro. But like I always say now, cause like you guys remember back in a lot of you been here since the beginning. You remember back in the beginning, man. It's just back when swing trading was just the only thing we was dibbling and dabbling in, and we thought penny stocks was all the rage. Moved into the options and the leverage and all of that stuff like that. And everything else is nothing now because you're not worried about another 7 to 15% loss, no matter what. That's about to get covered on one of those 1,000% runs over there, and that's daily. But XTIA, okay, XTIA, they still need. Look at this. Look at this. Let's go down to your 4 hour chart. Of course, they're gonna be slowing down your daily chart. Even we go down to the daily chart. Look at this. They just need a couple more days. They need a couple more days, bro, and they finna get there. Let's go look at your 4 hour chart. Yeah, they just need a little bit longer. Look at that. I'm gonna tell you, XTIA gonna be the one. They coming in for even bullishness even today, bro. Even today they done spiked up. This time one of those EVTOLs for those of you who are new. Ain't seen none of my EVTOL videos back when they were all the rage, new sectors now. But look at this short interest. They finna explode. That's a beautiful thing to see right there on XC. I gotta see it closer. I am in there, of course. I am in there, of course. Meta. Oh, Meta, cool. I was seeing news earlier talking about Meta was getting sold off or something like that. Meta doing better, better than ever. I'm not going. Why is it on the 52-week low list? I don't understand. Oh, because it is? Was it supposed to be the biggest drop that it ever had or something like that? I guess that is pretty. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like that shouldn't be on the 52-week lows, but okay. EH. This is another one of the flying taxis. Oh, I'm on a wrong list. That's great. Why are they on the 52-week lows? Oh yeah. EVTV. All right, we just gonna go faster now because of I kind of just wasted a lot of our time doing that. All right, EVTV, they wrecked. I don't recommend that you even mess around like that. CDT, we just did a split. HYZN, okay, we talk about BTOG, okay. WNW. I'm like, why they on the 52-week low list? That's crazy. And I just slimmed down my chart. How I just do that? I'm all messed up over here. But nonetheless, W&W, they go down to a big discount. Let's go see on your 15-minute chart. They already getting bullish, even more bullish today. This is a hot one right here, bro. This is a hot one. And they gonna fill that gap up. Let me see. Let me short interest. Oh yeah, this is a super hot one right here on W&W. Oh, you got the net flow getting positive in there. It's not too much, but I mean, let's look at this. Like it's just the beginning. I'm in W&W already. Rhyme. Ryan finna do a split. I forgot when, but I recommend just completely avoiding that one right now. Oh yeah, well for anybody who's not in W&W already, correct on MOGO, MBIO, another health stock. Just probably pass. They gonna make a spike, fool. They really gonna make a big spike. Man, that's gonna be a decent spike. What if they spike back up to $10 and they keep going? The more uncertainties you can take away, and that's an extremely uncertain one. BNIA, NKLA. NKLA will make a move. This used to be a very popular stock. NKLA 80. I remember back when they always used to dance. Look at this. Hold on. Let me go see this thing on the weed. They always used to be stuck around that set. What they do, a split or something back? Yeah, they have to do some splits or something, man. I was say they always used to be stuck at that 70 cents. What's up with this 70-cent range on NKLA? Ain't nah. Yeah, yeah, we just seen that move, bro. Somebody might like it. Somebody might like it. No TCBP. No TCBP. FBYD. We'll probably skip over on that one because I mean, look at it. You know what I mean? F PepG. No. ALCE. This is a hot one, actually, a very popular one. They do come in for moves. Like, look at them. They're already trying to come in for a move. Oh, they got news to participate in micro cap conference. They got a date on this. I got to see a date or something like that one time. Let me see. This just came out 7 hours ago on January 28th. This the ALC. All right, I'll check out the news. I hear you, bro. I'll go check it out. I hear you, bro. So, Alton Clean, renewable energy. Today announced that it will participate in the microcap, a premier event for growth-focused companies. The conference will take place January 28th to 30th at the Bartoga Hotel Spa. They finna be at the spa doing a conference, and Alton will engage in one-on-one meetings with institutional and individual investors to discuss company developments, growth strategies, and investments. ALC went. Hmm. You know, Probably just pass on out right now. A lot of these still getting embarrassed. We actually got a decent list up there already, actually, for real. EVAX, TCM. They did a spike earlier today. I'm glad it's a good thing they sold off because that's another opportunity. It's crazy. TCTM. We're already on TCTM, but it does definitely create another prime opportunity to get another round. Let's say TCM early seats, early birds. Going parabolic on TCTM actually today. This big sell off is a hot. This a prime. What did they just explode from this morning? They just explode from exactly this exact point. That's crazy. This exact point multiple times. TCT. Look, oh man, this opportunity is going lower. TCT, I'm 33 cents for lower. HWH. Did they sell back off? Not really. Probably missed out on that one. T2. We're already talking about T2, but T2 kind of sketchy. They probably make a move. I'm not. ATCH, they definitely gonna make the move. ATCH, $5 or lower, $6 or lower. Just you guys can see a little bit more about ATCH and stuff like that. Look at Atlas Clear, massive, massive, extreme bullishness coming in. Like I didn't even have to look at that to even know. I said like when you've been in these stocks for so long, you already just kind of you get used to them and stuff. Like how like all of these stocks I've already came through across all of these on the 52 week lows. Well. It's like DJLY, they get ready to make a move. That's an iffy one. OMGA, nope. SGN, pass on that. SBDSX. We already kind of got too many on the list, anyways, right now. These are the stocks that are making those 52-week lows, guys. I said, like, I don't know what my favorite ones are. I haven't yet entered in on any of these, of course, because of my edges are going to be strategic and time perfectly with the markets. Because as you know, the entire markets are getting wrecked and are ready to get even more wrecked tomorrow. So every stock that we picked out, along with the rest of the stocks on the market, are in a prime position to crash from all the people who bought it up today, getting ready to lock in gains off of their cost tomorrow morning. Just keep in mind, you'll be able to see which ones I do pick on my favorite when it's time to enter. When I put out the exact alert, entering on that single one. But along with that, you can also see the coach from the alerts and what they are liking to go for as well. Somebody were even throwing out some about stocks that are better than mine. I as well catch the alerts. But I'm Billy Banks. I'll see y'all in Iran. Happy trade.